Surely there will be too much competition in the out of countries. You guys go outside means then you will see, you will suffer surely. Any person if go outside means they will suffer first and then they will place. So likewise, you also will suffer and then only you are going to place. That time, you first try, keep on trying. Uh, Whenever the asking related to the manual testing or automation testing, anything else you want to answer with the within the spark, then only they will select you. Otherwise, they have more candidates. They want to select you guys. So you want to answer within this part. That's why I have given the set of questions and then I'm answering you. These questions only they will ask like that. Okay.
Automation testing for manual testing.
Surely. But when the manual testing question is there, they will manual testing posting is there. They will not ask about automation testing. Do you have the idea or not idea? They will ask that question. Okay. So come back to the today's topic. What is web-based smoke testing? Okay. What is the smoke testing? All is answer is chalo,
Deployed code is stable or not.
stable or not. How you will check? For example, if it is a payment page, what are the input you will give for the smoke testing?
Wrong inputs. Some wrong inputs. Then
In payment page, what the input you will give?
bank details.
Hmm?
Payment page, na? Bank details.
Hmm.
And if the card is which card we are using, or UPI payment or any other modes of payment, and the amount they are already fetching, then click on pay.
So in the payment page, you want to give the most critical, the stable or not. Okay, for example, if it is a payment page, you want to tell that you want to give the input like whatever you answered, the payment, the bank details, the payment details, and then once you giving the clicking on the submit button, you should want to work. That is the major what they have done is correctly functioning or not. That type of testing is called as smoke testing. Okay. So the next question is what is manual testing?
Still, any tool
Okay.
to automate the.
Yeah, you're right. That point is okay. Beyond that, tell about manual testing. I think here the question only is yeah. What is manual testing? Friends, please answer soon. We want to discuss more things. It's a simple question. What is manual testing? Come on. That only she told. Since you guys, we have discussed more things in the manual testing. So you can tell you anything else. There's a keyword. You see the keyword, otherwise answer something. That means
What is not test for the
What is one of them?
tell a proper word. End user means what's end user? Who is the end user?
End user as in UAT last में UAT तक जो डिलीवर करता है उसको end user बोलते हैं.
End user means the application was coming in the live and it was using by the 1,000 members of people means 1,000 members of people should be want to, there is no bug should be there. Like that way of detecting is called as an end user. Okay. So the tester will act like an end user and then he will execute all the test cases manually and then he do that. That is called as a manual testing. What is my unit testing?
base?
Huh?
Base.
Basic.
In thousands of codes, if we are testing a small part as a unit, so that will be called a unit testing.
For example, a login page you can.
लॉगिन पेज में बस मैं यूजर नेम ठीक से आ रहा है या नहीं वो चेक करूंगी और पासवर्ड और वो सबमिट बटन पे क्लिक हो रहा है वो एक पेज एक पूरा पेज मतलब वो यूनिट हुआ है सो मैं कंसीडर करूंगी
Particular component. That's why he is also trying to say the individual components is correctly functioning or not. That we will test as called unit testing. The unit testing will almost done by a developer only. Okay. What is for sanity testing? Okay. Huh?
Minor change.
Yeah, correct. Any minor change in the code that the developer fixed means, then we want to test again. That is called as sanity testing. Okay. What is integration testing? Individual components in their group of screen that we are testing is called as an integration testing. Okay. What is my regression testing? Surely these all the questions will be repeated in the interview, whatever you are doing in the manual testing or automation testing also. Okay. These questions only repeated. What is
रिग्रेशन टेस्टिंग में जो पहले से जो पहले से जो चल मतलब पहले से जो हमारा जो प्रोसेस चल रहा है उसमें अगर कोई बग आता है तो वो फिक्स होने के बाद वो दूसरे जब हम लोग उसको रीटेस्ट करते हैं तो उसकी वजह से कोई और फंक्शनैलिटी
that is called as a sanity testing.
Okay, that is sanity testing.
I'm asking about regression testing.
थोड़ा सा सिमिलर है रिग्रेशन
बहुत सिमिलर है लेकिन जब अपने पूरा फर्स्ट फेज को टेस्टिंग करेगा ना वो पूरा कम्स अंडर रेगुलेशन सेकेंड फेज को टेस्टिंग करेगा ना वो सैनिटी बस इतना ही ठीक है सिस्टम टेस्टिंग System testing is testing that it want to be uh, end-to-end testing. For example, the login page, you create an new account and then the payment page and then the purchase page is there. You want to start from the first page, first model to last model. All this working or not is called as a system testing. Okay, end-to-end testing. So white box testing, what is my white box testing?
Expected result, whatever.
Yeah. See, black box and white box are opposite. Okay. Black box testing is the way you want to test the code, structure, design should not be seen. Okay, the white box only should want to see the code, design and structure. Okay, in the black box you only want to give the input and the output should be reflected. That is called as a black box testing. What are the techniques under the black box testing? There's no answer, there's no questions. I'm asking from my side. What is meant by black box techniques? So many techniques we have seen, I think so. 2-3 techniques so we have seen. Techniques means what? What are the techniques we will apply in the testing? We have seen something techniques. Technique means what?
Start way the movie,
We do something else that the way is telling is called as a technique. Okay. The what are the ways we are going in the testing?
Selenium testing.
That is automation. No, we doesn't seem you guys have learned or not learned. I can't able to understand. See, here there are 5 types of testing. I have sent this documents to you, no? At least tell me what is my boundary analysis.
For example, if the range है, to from 1 to 100, तो मेरा boundary value रहेगा 1 से 0 तक नहीं जाना चाहिए and 100 से ऊपर नहीं जाना चाहिए. That testing is called boundary value.
Tell the exact value. What you will test if you are the range is 1 to 100, then what are the values you will test for this range of the 1 and 100? That's all.
And 101 and 0.
That's all.
That is negative testing.
That
It's negative. It's a negative
okay, okay. Then also, what are the boundary value you will give for that particular G1 to 100? Yesterday only I told something, read and come, something it's useful for you guys. Use you guys doesn't doing anything else. I'm telling not having time, everything. Okay, you guys not having time, then also you want to do no. You are only going to attend interview. No, I am not going to attend. The range is 1 to 100. Then the boundary value you want to give is the 1 is there. You want to give plus 2 numbers and then minus 2 numbers. 0, -1, and then 1, and then 2, 3. This is the boundary you want to give for that 1. Here the 100, 99, 98. And 100, 101, 102. That is the boundary you want to give. That's the range you want to test the boundary analysis. +1 of that number, otherwise -1 of that number. Okay. That is enough. Otherwise, for example, the range is 100 to 1000. Then I have given the example in the answer also. Okay. 99, 101, and then here 999 and 1001. That's all. Okay. So here you're doing 98 also, that is okay, that's good. That's no problem. But you don't want to go beyond the 98. That you want to know. Okay. Please try to answer some questions. What is my verification and validation? This we have seen in the B model. What is my verification and validation?
Done by tester on validated by the developers.
Okay, that is also correct answer. Here, verification takes place. Here, validation takes place. How it will come?
Step by step.
During what are the points here it will come? How can we tell that the verification was correctly done by the developer? How the validations was correctly done by the tester? How we can do? What are the phases comes under the verification and validation? The verification comes under LLD, CRD, customer requirement document, LLD, level design, high level design. Okay, this is the way the verification will be done. Okay, and here first start from unit testing, sanity before regression, and then integration, and then system testing. Yeah. UAT. Last is UAT. Okay. So this is the way they will do the verification and validation. So what is the way? Severity and priority. Yeah.
Severity मतलब कि कोई अगर बग आ रहा है तो वो कितना सीवियर है, फॉर एग्जांपल कि उसे इम्पैक्ट ज्यादा हो रहा है या नहीं, उसको सीवियरिटी बोलेंगे। एंड प्रायोरिटी मतलब अगर 2-3 बग एक साथ है तो उसमें देखेंगे कि सबसे ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट कौन सा है, उसको प्रायोरिटी देके उसको पहले फिक्स करेंगे।
बस सीवियरिटी मतलब यही तो है। For example, the accident was made in the road. Okay, there are 40 members was injured. Okay, who was giving the first priority want to give to the person to want to, for example, some of them heart attack. So you want to give first priority to that person only. Okay, if the person was injured in the hand and then the leg, You want to give the severity to them, and then you want the last view. Okay, that is called as priority and then severity. Okay. So what is your bug life cycle? What
When
is-
the bug is generated, it will get fixed, and when it will get retested.
Hmm.
That is the bug cycle.
Yeah.
If it is fixed, then it will get retest. If it is not fixed, it will be tested by the tester.
Yeah.
If it is fixed or not. If it is not fixed, then it will send it to IT to fix it again and again retest. And if it is passed, then the life cycle is completed.
Okay. Okay. What is my alpha and beta testing? Not answering any questions. Alpha and beta testing. Yeah. Alpha testing is the organization which have 10 members and then they will test the application. That is called as an alpha testing, which was tested out of the organization by the 50 members or 20 members. That is called as a beta testing. Okay. The beta testing will be within the organization and out of the organization. Okay. So no, I think that much not repeated questions they will ask. So don't leave those questions. Okay. Here itself, very few questions only there. Try to go ahead with that.
ரொம்ப important வேணாம் இல்லையா?
Huh?
ரொம்ப important கேட்பாங்க ரெண்டு இந்த மாதிரி.
That was we have discussed now, no? That was we have discussed. These are questions only they will repeat it, keep on asking. Be aware of all the questions. Whatever I am given here, be aware of all these questions. These questions only they will ask. Hmm? Anything doubts in the manual testing? Any want to explain or anything else important not to do to the manual testing like that? You can ask any questions to me. How to apply anything else? Okay, thank you.